Intelligent encrypted storage method for medical health database based on Internet of Things. Zeng Qing-bang 1 and XIE Wen-da 2. Wen College of Information Engineering. Jiangmen Polytechnic. Jiangmen 529,000. China. To Computer Engineering Technical College. Artificial Intelligence College. Guangdong Polytechnic of Science and Technology. Zhuhai 519,090, China. Honda 455 at 163 com. Abstract. By analyzing the process of encrypting and decrypting, the traditional method of encrypting and storing medical health database is designed, and the data in database is transformed slowly, which leads to high cost and long time of encrypting. The intelligent encryption of medical health database is divided into three parts: encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm, and matching algorithm, and the key family. Key cycle and key management node of the three parts are determined to design the intelligent encryption algorithm for medical health database. The relationship between the encryption and decryption process and user read-write operation is analyzed to design the database encryption and decryption processing mode and transform database data. The cloud computing technology in the Internet of Things technology is adopted to design the database encryption scheme based on the Internet of Things technology to realize the intelligent encryption algorithm for medical health database. The experimental results show that the size of encrypted and unencrypted data is 7% and 4%. And the average ratio of key management time to data processing time is 0.274% and 0.298%, respectively, in one operation cycle, with less space overhead, faster database encryption speed, and better encryption performance. Keywords: Internet of Things, medical treatment, Introduction with the rapid development of the Internet of Things. Cloud computing has become the main supporting technology of the Internet of Things due to its strong computing power, convenient access, low cost, and other advantages, which is the development direction and research focus of the IT field at present. 1. At present, cloud computing has entered a period of rapid development, and various big data applications based on cloud computing are gradually enriched. Users' awareness of adopting cloud services to process various computing, storage, and other tasks has increased. Many government, educational, and medical institutions and large enterprise groups take the initiative to consider integrating their business into the cloud. In the era of rapid expansion of information, cloud storage in the storage and management of large data applications has a very obvious advantage. In reference, an intelligent database encryption method based on AES algorithm is proposed. The method comprises the following steps: constructing a security key for encrypting sensitive database information, adopting an arithmetic coding design scheme to carry out adaptive feature classification and vector quantization coding design of sensitive database storage information, carrying out cyclic code reconstruction and block encryption design of sensitive database storage data encryption under Advanced Encryption Standard Protocol, AES, constructing encryption and decryption keys, and carrying out featured block recombination on plaintext decoded by intelligent encryption cyclic code of sensitive database. The random sampling method is used to reconstruct the sample space of the information stored in sensitive database, and the multi-layer encryption design of highly sensitive database storage is realized by combining the key negotiation and elliptic linear coding method. Therefore, this paper proposes to use the Internet of Things technology to design an intelligent encryption storage method for medical and health database. Through solution mode, the key family, key period and key management mode of intelligent encryption algorithm of medical database are determined. According to the relationship between encryption and user operation, the database encryption and decryption processing mode is designed, the conversion of database data is realized, and the database encryption scheme using Internet of Things technology is realized. It can provide theoretical support for the safe storage of medical data, ensure the secrecy of medical data, and as important practical significance for the safety of patient privacy. To intelligent encrypted storage method for based on Internet of Things. 2.1 Design intelligent encryption algorithm for healthcare database, encryption algorithm, decryption algorithm, matching algorithm, key family, key cycle, key management method. Database encryption, decryption and conversion. In addition to the encryption algorithm, the encryption and decryption of the method is the basis of the whole operation process throughout the method. It includes both the encryption and decryption of user information and the encryption and decryption of data keys. The decryption process is similar to encryption except that the parameters of the cipher object are set slightly differently. It is important to note that the encryption and decryption processes cannot be performed simultaneously. If you want to do both encryption and decryption, you need two instances of the cipher object. In fact, we can find that the whole system's encryption-decryption process is closely related to the user's read-write operations. 2.3 Intelligent encrypted storage of medical health database based on Internet of Things technology. The cloud computing technology of Internet of Things technology is adopted to realize the intelligent encryption algorithm of medical health database. The process is as follows. Firstly, the data users in cloud computing database are partitioned by sharding functions, and the data is distributed to different processors by the master node as the dispatcher. Each mapper completes a portion of the final result. Pre-experimented analysis. Two groups of traditional encrypted storage methods were selected, and the health database was chosen as the experimental object to verify the intelligent encrypted storage method of health database based on Internet of Things. 3.1 Experimental preparation. According to the operating characteristics of the encryption storage algorithm selected in this experiment, 3 sets of encryption storage methods are set up on the computer. Experimental results. Results of the first set of experiments, according to the experimental process of this experimental design. 3 groups of encrypted storage methods are tested respectively. In the functional test process of this design, when inserting key value query, aggregation, range, fuzzy query, update, delete and other operations are carried out, the function test result is shown in table. The third group of experimental results change the number of experimental data selected in the experiment. Let 3 groups of encryption storage methods manage the data keys of medical health database in the same cycle and process the data of medical health database. Calculate the ratio of time consumed by key management and data processing in the same cycle, and compare the time ratio of key management and data processing in the same cycle. Closing remarks. To sum up, the research on the intelligent encrypted storage method of medical health database based on the Internet of Things makes full use of the technology of the Internet of Things to enhance the encryption effect of the encrypted medical health database, so that the time expenditure and data expansion rate of the encrypted medical health database are in an acceptable range and the cost of application system access is reduced. However, there are still some deficiencies in this study. In the future research, we still need to study the key management scheme to protect the data of online users of medical health database. Ending. Thank you.